Jackson here for Excel Boats, and today I'm really excited to introduce you to the newest offering in our F4 line, the new F4 Pro Hull series from Excel. This boat is the lightest F4 that we've ever built. Whether you're chasing redfish in the shallows or trying to get in the skinniest water in the marsh going after mallards, this is the F4 for you. With the open floor plan, you have all kinds of options available. The base model simply features the step deck, the adjustable grab bar, and a built-in storage box seat. Or you can outfit it, as we have with our model, with an optional Orca cooler seat. We have added to our boat a 4400 Mud Buddy HDR, surface drive with true reverse, and you can even add, if you want to, a built-in fuel tank. Although in our model, to keep it lightweight and running lean and mean, we just got a removable 6-gallon tank. It still has our famous F4 step deck on the front and transom steps on the rear. This boat meets Coast Guard standards for shallow water flotation and shallow water vessel. The boat also is made super strong by the 2x4 longitudinal ribs that run the length of the boat and the 2 cross braces that give it even further support in the floor. You can get any option that's available for any of our other F4 boats on this model, including Minn Kota trolling motor, drop-in gun box or storage box, or even a built-in fuel tank. The F4 Pro Hull series from Excel. One lean, mean, shallow water vessel that is just another reason Excel is the boat to own.